Hello everyone. Welcome you all to this video. Today we are going to make efficient reviews of best wireless headphone for your convenience. Let's check it out right away. Awei T11 Wireless Bluetooth Headphone. This is the top-selling Bluetooth headphone. Already 24K plus ordered in this year. Features of this headphone: sweat and splash proof, can let you enjoy outdoors activities. Noise reduction to provide high-quality music. Bluetooth version 4.2. Weight 13.8 grams. Release the burden, let you comfortable movement and long time wear without pain. Magnetic suction design that do not fall headphone. Easy to wear. Through the sound unit, sound waves in the sound cavity multiple reflection to restore the true voice and provide clear HD music. Music play time is about 4 hours. Workable distance, 10 meters. Charging hours, 1.5 hours. We hope this video may come to your convenience. If it is so, please hit the thumbs button and subscribe our channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified. See you soon with something new. Till then, take care and have a happy and safe shopping. For more details about the product and the link, go to the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Like, share, and comment below.